Welcome to my kitchen! Are you feeling lonely during quarantine? Yes, even lonelier than my bananas. At least they hang out in a bunch. It's okay, because one step in the right direction can make your situation better, starting with banana bread. Delicious, super moist. Talk about going from 0 to 100 really fast. Time to give this old fruit a glow up. Oh, and these bananas. Starting with browning the butter. In a small pot over medium heat, melt the butter and let the heat do its browning magic. When the butter starts to boil, about 5 minutes, start whisking to prevent the bottom from burning. When you see the milk proteins change color from white to golden brown, that's when you turn off the heat and let it cool off. The heat from the pot will continue to cook the butter, so to avoid burning, pour cold water on the sides of the pot or transfer it to a bowl. In the meantime, we'll peel the bananas. Over the years, I learned a couple unconventional ways to open a banana. One of them is the backward flip. Hold the banana upside down by the stem and flip. I tried this when I was in elementary school and the banana took flight, crashed into my friend's shoes. And yeah, I wonder how food fights start. Mom, please don't listen to this. The second way is to peel from the bottom, which is more kid-friendly, and what I think is the easiest way to peel a banana. Next, we'll mash the bananas. I started using a fork, but then I saw it was 6 against 1, so I needed backup. If you do use a fork, mash the bananas one at a time. It's easier. When the bananas are sufficiently squashed, add in the white and brown sugars. And mix, mix, mix. Now it's time to add the browned butter. Scrape the bottom to get all the bronzy goodness into the bowl and mix. Next up is the vanilla. It smells really good, but have you ever tasted it? Plain? Bad. Next, add in the 2 eggs and mix well. Then sift in the flour, baking soda, and salt. Sifting is just an extra measure to prevent flour clumps. If you don't have a sieve, no problem, just add in the flour. Lightly mix, then in a greased pan, add in the batter. Spread out the batter so it all cooks evenly. Next, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 65 minutes. This smells amazing. I'm getting caramel, buttery, banana bread notes. Oh, I wish you could smell this through the camera. And yes, I'm holding a piece up to my nose as we speak. Yum. I let the loaf cool for 10 to 15 minutes before taking it out. Now to see the inside. B-E-A, beautiful! We made it! We transformed old fruit into beautiful browned butter banana bread. I hope this video made you smile and feel less lonely. If so, please like this video and subscribe if you'd like to see more baking videos. Bye!